Holy fucking shit! Holy shit! The fucking burns! Oh my god, it burns! Get me the fuck out of here!
God.
Get me the fuck out of here!
It's so much pain! Oh, thanks, bro. Oh, I really appreciate that.
You good?
Oh, yeah. I was just burning alive in there.
Jesus Christ, man. I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's all good, man. Honestly. A bit chilly, innit?
Huh?
Oh, no, I was just saying, you know, it's a bit cold in here, isn't it?
You literally just told me you were being burned alive in there.
Oh, yeah, I'm actually very cold. Could you throw me back in there?
Okay. You good in there?
Oh yeah, nice and tasty. Wow, it fucking burns!